How to delete recently visited page on Facebook. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you delete recently visited page on Facebook. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open the Facebook app on your device. So simply have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Facebook, you will get such interface. So like I will react this post and I will visit this page also. Okay, I will like this one. And to delete recently visited page on Facebook, you'll have to tap on the three lines just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to tap on the gear icon which will appear on the top right corner of the menu section. So simply tap on the gear icon. Alright, so from the setting and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and find the options like activity log. So simply you have to go with that option. And now from here, choose the drop down your Facebook activity. Alright, so from here, you'll have to all the way scroll down at the bottom. Alright, so now from here, in the logged in information, you'll have to tap on it. And now from here, you will got options like search, location, privacy checkup. So you'll have to go with the options manage search. Alright, so from here you will be able to see the recently visited page on Facebook. So to delete that, you'll have to go with the option three dot just at the right of that section. So simply you have to go with there, and now from here you will be able to delete. Okay, so simply click on delete. Alright, so this is the easiest and simplest method to delete recently visited page on Facebook. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.